Greetings, friends, beautiful friends, YouTube family, everyone. Happy New Year and welcome to everyone that made it so far. Um, Condolences to those who didn't make it and be grateful for being here, as I always say. Um, yeah, I just want to mention that we should keep exploring the fact of forgiving ourselves and forgiving people around us. We should embrace ourselves. We should love ourselves and appreciate everyone around us. We have the strength to identify and the capability to identify influences that's not good for us. Um, Pay attention to what we allow to enter our fields, our energy fields. For example, the music we listen to. Choose the right music. What doesn't resonate with you, don't listen. People that doesn't resonate with you, don't mix with them. Choose your people. You cannot choose your family, but you can choose your friends. And it's always been a lesson of life for everybody. It's very simple. Don't mix, don't resonate with something that doesn't go with you. Don't do something because of other people. Do it because you want it. Your heart knows what's good for you. It knows what you need, where you should go. Follow your heart. Don't follow what the media says or what the world tells you or people tells you. Follow and do what you know you should do, what makes you happy, what works for you. Whatever works for someone else don't work for everybody. Everybody has his own desires and his own way. Connect with your higher self through loving yourself and forgiving yourself and appreciating yourself, and that will come from everybody else because it has to start with you. I send lots of love for everybody out there, and I'm happy to be here in the new year. And I wish everybody a wonderful year. I'm very sure this is going to be a very successful year, an abundant year, and a year full of love. Let's be open to love. Let's be open to other people. The most precious thing that you can share and give in this life is your time. Your time towards someone, to listen to someone, to help if possible. But your time, to share your time, is very important to people. And that is a great gift to give a bit of time to people from your own time. And also your personal time. You need to look at that. That's very important. Like I said, don't let people come into your energy. Don't let people manipulate you. The media is full of manipulations and lies. Let's pay attention. That's why I mentioned what you read, what you, comes in from your eyes and your ears is very important because everything starts with you and your mind. Attacks from entities, everything starts with your mind. So focus on what your thoughts are, what images in your mind. Um, if something is not originating from your own consciousness, from your own thoughts, your own visions, not if it's not your own picture, not your own intention, then discard it, let it block it out, let it go. We should really be careful. I don't say that we need to look over our shoulders and to be paranoid. That is the last thing you should do. You should have faith in yourself. By having faith in yourself and believing in your choices and believing what you know is good for yourself, that's the greatest start you can make in each day. And it's very simple, same as letting go of something that's not good for you. It's very easy. Everything is habit forming. The formula is habits, habits, habits. How many habits have you let go in your life before? How easy it was at the end of the day. So we learn from that and we use the same method in letting go wrong friends, wrong people, wrong situations, wrong things that we might be involved or doing. Any habit that you want to let go, you can do it. I believe in you all. I really do. And I wish you all a wonderful day. And I'm looking forward to see you all again. And be grateful for any support to join our channel and to help it to grow. And thank you so much for everyone. Have a great day.